fasting beast. When you hungry and frustrated, you show who you really are. So let me tell you the importance of intermittent fasting. When you intermittent fasting and you understand that you're gonna be hungry and you're gonna be frustrated, and you learn to understand your body, because a lot of people let me tell you why people start intermittent fasting and they quit, because they think they're gonna get it in a couple weeks, in a couple months, and it's not that easy. You can start to learn to understand intermittent fasting in a few months, but if you want to master it, you're gonna master it in years. So I've been doing intermittent fasting for 20 years, so I know how it is. I know how hard it is, especially at the beginning when you start and then you fail, and you start again and then you fail, and then a lot of people quit, and I didn't quit. I start and fail and fail and fail and fail until I get it. I say, okay, I know how to do it now, and then I understand my body. When you do intermittent fasting, you understand the way your body reacts. You understand the energy. When you eat, you feel tired because your body use the energy to digest the food. So when you're not eating, you got all your energy, and your body is regenerating in the inside. So that is a really good thing, because there's a lot of people that eat 6 or 7 meals a day, and they never get the body the chance, the time to regenerate itself. So you need to understand, if you want to start intermittent fasting, don't quit. Even if you fail, you're gonna fail, because I know you're gonna fail, because I failed when I started intermittent fasting. I failed so many times. So don't give up. I am the fasting beast.